DoorDash Crimson Card versus Dasher Direct. So DoorDash Crimson Card is the new banking product, replacing the old Dash Direct program, acting as a personal banking account for Dashers to receive earnings, manage money, and access new features like instant pay and cashback rewards. Dash Direct is a legacy banking program that is being phased out, with its services, including instant pay and cashback, sunsetting to make way for the more feature-rich Crimson platform. The key difference is that Crimson is an upgrade designed to be a comprehensive banking solution, whereas Dash Direct was an earlier iteration of the same concept. Now, here are the key differences. Dash Direct is a legacy program being retired. DoorDash Crimson is the new banking solution, with its availability being rolled out to Dashers. Banking functionality. Crimson is a full personal banking account, while Dash Direct was an earlier version of a similar concept. Crimson offers new features, functionality, and rewards through exclusive DoorDash partnerships, which are not available on the older Dasher Direct program. The Dasher Direct program and its services are ending, with the Dasher Direct app closing and associated features sunsetting in the coming months. Crimson is being rolled out to Dashers, who will receive email notifications when they can enroll. Transitioning to Crimson, you will need to sign up for DoorDash Crimson through the Dasher app to start receiving your earnings there. Once you've enrolled in Crimson, you'll be able to change your payout method in the earnings screen to receive instant payouts directly to your new Crimson account. And finally, you can then start taking advantage of Crimson's new features, like cashback rewards and other benefits through DoorDash partnerships. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.